morning, first PC students. Yesterday 1.2 exercise 4 problems are completed. Next go to fifth problem. At the 5 equal sets by the depending on the equal sets. Fifth problem. Are the following pairs of sets equal? Give reason. Are the following pairs of sets equal? Give reason. The first one, A is equal to 1, 2. A is equal to 2, 3. And B is equal to X such that X is a solution. X is solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. The first one is A is equal to 2, 3 and B is, this is the roster form, this is the set builder form. Okay. These A, B are equal or not. So A is equal to 2, 3 direct given. First, what is the B? Okay, the set builder form is converted into roster form. For example, what is this? Quadratic equation. The quadratic equation has how many solutions? 2 solutions. So what are they? X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Apply the formula. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a or a direct trial and error method. What is the trial and error method? X square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. What is the trial and error method? This is adding. For example, let us take two terms. The two terms, adding the two terms equal to the middle term of the given equation, and multiply the two numbers or two functions. Multiply the two numbers equal to the ending first and last number of, multiply the first and last term of the given equation. For example, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ತಗೋ, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರಬೇಕು ಮಿಡಿಲ್ ಒನ್. Multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3x into 2x is equal to what? 6x square. That 6x square is equal to the given equation first and last term multiplication. This type of balance. Okay. So 3x plus 2x plus x common, x plus 3 plus 2 common, x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 common, x plus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. So a into b is equal to 0, x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3 comma minus 2. So solution, what is A? A is equal to 2, 3. B is equal to what? B is equal to x square minus 5x, 5x. B is equal to what? Minus 2, 3. So A is equal to B, A, B both are equal, not equal. So A not equal to B, both are not equal. So what is the reason? Given reason, you go A is equal to 2, 3, B is equal to minus 2, minus 3. So this is the reason. So next second one. A is equal to set of all x such that x is letter in the word, x is letter in the word, follow, follow. Next, what is B? Set of all x such that x is a letter in the word, x is a letter in the word, letters in the word wolf, WOLF, wolf. This is the B is wolf and A is follow. The both sets are equal sets. So solution. What is A? The set builder form is converted into roster form. This is F only one F. O, two O's are there in follow. So we can write one time. Next L's are two times. We can write one time. So W. So B is equal to wolf. So W O L F. How many letters are there in A? A has 4 letters and B has 4 letters. The both are equal letters or different letters? Equal letters. F O L W. So therefore A is equal to B. So A and B sets are equal sets. This is the 5th question problem. Okay. From the sets given below, select equal sets. From the sets given below, select equal sets. Okay, some sets are given below, some sets are given of 10 or 5, some sets are given. In some sets, select equal sets. Select the equal sets. What is the A? A is equal to, what is the A? A is equal to 2, 4, 8, 12. Next, what is B? B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, C is equal to 4, 8, 12, 14. 4, 8, 12, 14. So D is equal to 3, 1, 4, 2. So E is equal to 0, comma A. F is equal to 1, comma minus 1. G is equal to A, B, C, D. D is equal to 3, 1, 4, 2. E is equal to minus 1, comma 1. F, G is equal to 1, comma minus 1. So 0, comma A. Next, H is equal to 0, comma 1. 3, 6, 8 sets. 8 sets are given. In the 8 sets, what is the equal sets? What are the equal sets? First, A. 2, 4, 8, 12. 2, 4, 8, 12. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Not equal. 4, 8, 12, 14. This is not equal. One element different. A to C. Comparing A and C, this is only one element. 2 is different. Okay. So this is not equal. A, D. What is D? 1, 2, 3, 4. No use. Next 1. No. A is not equal to other sets. So B is equal. B is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is D? D is also 1, 2, 3, 4. His order is not important. Okay. So B has 4 elements and D has 4 elements and both are equal elements. So So B is equal to D, B D. Next B is equal to not E, A, no use. Next C is equal to what? C 4, 8, 12, 14. C is not equal to other. There is no equal set. So next D equal to B equal to D or D equal, both are same. A is equal to B or B is equal to A, both are same. So B equal to D or D equal to B are both are same. Next E is equal to, okay, sorry, E is equal to -1 comma 2. This is F is equal to 0 comma A. G is equal to 1 comma -1. EG. H is equal to 0 comma 1. What is equal? Next equal EF. Here both are same, -1 1 and 1 -1. So E is equal to G. Next F is equal to H. F 0 comma A, H 0 comma 1. So only two equal sets are there. What are they? B is equal to D, B and D are equal, and E and G are equal sets. Only two equal sets are there. Okay, this is the meaning of problem number 6. Next definition, subset. Subsets. A set A is said to be subset of B. A set A is said to be subset of B if every element of A, if every element of A is also an every element of B. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎ ಅನೇ ಸೆಟ್ಟು ಬಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್? ಎ ಸೆಟ್ అనేది ಬಿ ಸೆಟ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಕೂಡ ಬಿದಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು. ಎದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಕೂಡ ಬಿದಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಈಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ. The subset when we have to use only two sets. Belongs to when we have to use element belongs to set. One is the one containing the set B, or one is the set B. One is in set of B. So subset when we have to use two sets. B is the big set, A is the subset of B. That is the read as A subset of B. A అనేది B కి సబ్సెట్. A అనేది B కి సబ్సెట్, A subset of B. 1 belongs to B. 1 అనే ఎలిమెంట్ B set ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, this is A subset of, this is the denoted by, subset is denoted by, this is the symbol. This is the belongs to symbol. Okay, subsets. For example, A is equal to A, B, C. This is the set. How many subsets are subsets of A? How many subsets are there? How many subsets are there in set A? A has how many subsets? A has how many subsets means, so this is the pi. Pi is any subset. Pi is any subset. Pi is any subset of, okay, pi is always any subset, any set, subset of any set. Pi is the subset of any set. Pi, this is A, single element sets, B, C. Next, the single element sets, next double element sets, A, B. Next B, C. Next AB, BC. Next AC. Next triple elements of sets, A, B, B, C. How many subsets are there? N of A. N of A is equal to, what is the meaning of N of A? Number of element in the set A. A set dalli ಎಷ್ಟು elements adavu? 3. Okay. How many subsets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The set has 3 elements. The first pi is the subset of any set, the fix. Next, single elements, double elements, triple elements. The how many subsets are there? This is the formula. 2 power n. 2 power n is equal to, n is how many elements are there in the given set? How many elements? How many elements are there? 2 power, how many elements? 1, 2, 3. The set has how many elements? 3 elements. 2 cube is equal to 8. The formula of subset. Only numbers, how many subsets are there? This is by using the formula 2 power n. 2 is fixed, but n is how many numbers, elements, objects or anything. How many elements are there in the given set? This is the formula. Once again, A is equal to ABC, 3 elements are there. How many subsets are there? What are they? The subsets are pi fix. Pi is the any subset of given set. Pi is the subset of any set. Pi first single element set, double element set, triple element set. Another example. What is another example? For example, B is equal to 1 comma 2. B is equal to 1 comma 2 is a sets. How many subsets are there? How many subsets are there? 2 square. B has how many elements? N is equal to 2 elements. Formula 2 power n. 2 square is equal to 4. How many means direct 4 answer. How many subsets are there in the given set A? A has how many subsets? The answer 2 square 4. This is enough. One more question. Next, what are they? The subsets are, what are they mean? The subsets are first pi. Pi is the subset of any set fix. Pi is also one of the set, null set, empty set. Pi is also one of the set. Okay. First single element, first 1, next 2 single elements, next double elements 1 comma 2, not 2 comma 1. 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1 both are same, but elements are same. Its order is different. Order difference is nothing but same. Okay, how elements are important too, but order is not important too. So 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1 both are same. So consider one time. Consider one time. So pi 1, 2, 1 comma 2. Okay, this is the subset 2. So 1.3 exercise, so many model problems are there. Okay. Okay, clear? Equal set. What is subset? A set A is said to be subset of B. A అనేది B యొక్క B సబ్సెట్ ఏವಾಗ ఆಗುತ್ತದಂದ್ರೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎ ಸೆಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಬಿ ಸೆಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ subset symbol? This is the symbol A subset of B. This is the B is the set, A is the subset. B is the normal set, A is the subset. This is the bigger, this is the smaller. Okay, every set has itself. Every set has the subset of itself. Okay, yeah, subset. For example, pi is fixed. Pi అనేది automatic. Pi is the subset of any set, and itself also 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 itself also subset of the given set. Pi and itself is the subset of given set. Once again, pi అనేది అదే సెట్, బి ఆ సెట్కి అదే సెట్ సబ్సెట్ కూడా ఆగుతుంది. పై అనేది సబ్సెట్టే, అదే సెట్ సేమ్ సెట్ కూడా సబ్సెట్టే. first to last. Okay, subset B is 1 comma 2, pi is compulsory, pi is the commonly subset, adi kuda same set kuda subset. Okay, next. So what is the definition? A subset of B, this is the symbol of subset. If A belongs to A, that implies A belongs to B. If A belongs to A, that implies A belongs to B. Okay, understand? Oh, dear. Oh. Next, power set. Very, very important. Power set. The collection of, power set means the collection of, the collection of all subsets. The collection of all subset of a set A. The collection of all subsets of a set A. The collection of all subsets. The collection of all subsets of a set A is called power set. Is called power set of A. The power set of A is denoted by power set of A is denoted by P of A. ORR, capital P of A, ORR, power set of A. What is the meaning? The collection of all subset of a set A set to all subset, collection of all subset of A all subsets collection is called power set. The power set is denoted by P of A, ORR, power set of A, ORR, the power set of A. For example, so for example, A is equal to sum A comma B. A is a set A comma B. So what is the power set? What is the power set means first we have to calculate subsets. What is subset of A? Pi is a subset. Next single elements A and B itself double element set, this one. So what is the power set of A? Power set of A is equal to, write in the set form, pi comma set A, set B, set A comma B. This is the power set of A. Number of P of A, number of power set of A is equal to 4. How many subsets in the power set? Power set dalli ಎಷ್ಟು subsets adavu? 1 2 3 4. Number n of means number of, how many elements. How many elements in the power set of A is equal to 4. How many elements in the power set of A is equal to 4. Okay na? What is the subset? The set A is said to be subset of A if every element of A is the every element of B. Okay, what is the power set? The collection of all subsets of A is called power set of A, denoted by P of A or power set of A. Example, A comma B. How many subsets are there? 2 elements means how many subsets? 4 subsets. The collection of all subsets in write in the bracket, set bracket. Okay, this is power set. Okay. What is the formula? Number of power set of a formula 2 power n. Number of how many power set, number of power set. In the power set how many elements are there means what is the formula? 2 power n. What is n? What is n? How many elements? 2 elements. 2 power 2 equal to 4. Okay, next go to the important topic intervals. Intervals subset sir, for what is the first subset? N subset of R is correct clearly. N subset of W. N is the natural number, W is the whole number. Is it correct? Correct, because all numbers in natural number, all numbers is there in the whole numbers. Natural numbers ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ all elements whole numbers ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ n is subset of W. W is subset of integer I, var or z. Okay, W is subset of I is correct because I is the all elements in whole numbers is there in integers. What is the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Integers minus 2 minus negative values, 0 positive values. So next integer is subset of R. R is subset of complex number. Complex number is denoted by Z. C complex numbers. So finally n is subset of omega W. N is subset of W. Subset of Z, subset of Q, subset of R. Totally the biggest set is real number. The biggest set is real number. Okay, next open intervals, closed intervals. Intervals. This is called open interval. This is called open interval. How to write this is called open interval? X such that A less than X less than B. For example, this is the real line. So this is small a, this is small b. So what is the closed interval a comma b? Not a. This is only the round. The circle is a. The second circle is b. So what is the closed interval a comma b? Without a and b. A less than x less than b is nothing but above a, not a. Above a and below b. Above a and below b, not contain a and b, excluding a and b, only a and b, two numbers. So this is the open interval a comma b. Next, closed interval. This is the first one. Closed interval a comma b. Closed interval a comma b is equal to set of all x such that a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b. So a, b and in between values. What is the difference between closed interval and open interval? Only excluding. This is open interval a comma b is without a and b or excluding a and b. Closed interval a comma b is nothing but including a and b. A value, b value, in between all values. In between values. What is the diagrammatic form? This is a, this is b. So a also, a koda A, B, in between. A, B, in between. Okay. Next, third one. Open A, closed B. Open A, the small bracket is called open interval. The big bracket is called closed interval. Open A, closed B is nothing but set of all x such that excluding A, including B. Closed means including. So, A less than, x less than or equal to B. A less than, x less than or equal to B. So, what is the diagrammatic form? This is A, this is B. So, not A. In between. And B also, B coda. Next, fourth one. Closed A, open B. Closed A, open B. Set of all x such that A less than or equal to x less than B, including A, excluding B, with A, without B. So this is A, this is B, A and in between, not B. This is the difference. Open interval, closed interval, open A, closed B, closed A, open B. Open A, closed B. Some more examples. Open A, closed B. Okay, tomorrow in the interval some more examples. I will explain some more examples. Values 2, 3, 3, 4. Some model problems I will explain. Okay. Thank you.